अभियोजन कहानी contraband is 505 bottles of cough syrup.
जी
Conviction is 11 years. अभियोजन कहानी संक्षेप में इस प्रकार है कि दिनांक 16/6/22 को थाना कमरजी में पदस्थ सहायक उप निरीक्षक मोतीलाल रावत दौरान गश्त हमला स्टाफ एएसआई दिवाकर, प्रधान आरक्षक लल्लू विश्वकर्मा, आरक्षक ललित शंकर मिश्रा के ग्राम पटपरा बाजार में जरिए मुखबिर द्वारा ये सूचना प्राप्त हुई कि आकाश द्विवेदी निवासी हिनौती का सफेद रंग की ऑल्टो कार में अवैध रूप से नशीली कफ सिरप ला रहा है। उक्त सूचना मिलने पर अपराध स्टाफ को बतलाया जाकर मुखबिर सूचना पंचनामा तैयार किया गया तथा आरक्षक लल्लू विश्वकर्मा को स्वतंत्र साक्षी लाने हेतु रवाना किया। तत्पश्चात आरक्षक लल्लू विश्वकर्मा स्वतंत्र साक्षीगण रहीश द्विवेदी और सजल द्विवेदी को लेकर आया तो मुखबिर सूचना से अवगत कराया गया तथा प्राप्त सूचना की जानकारी आरक्षक ललित शंकर मिश्रा द्वारा एसडीओपी कार्यालय चुरहट को प्रेषित की गई। आरक्षक 508 के द्वारा जरिए फोन बताया कि एसडीओपी मुख्यालय में नहीं है, मोबाइल से संपर्क करने पर नहीं हो पा रहा है, जिससे सर्च वारंट प्राप्त नहीं हो पा रहा है। Then paragraph 3 alto car was paragraph 4 if you lordship
जी
बोरी में प्राप्त एसकेएफ नशीली कॉफ सिरप एवं ऑनलेट्स कॉफ सिरप से 2-2 शीशी बतौर सैंपल परीक्षण हेतु निकाली गई।
जी
सैंपल निकालने का पंचनामा तैयार किया गया एवं निकाले गए सैंपल को अलग अलग सील बनकर आर्टिकल B1 B2
आप क्या है, आपने कहाँ से खरीदी थी ये बोतलें? 605 बोतलें कहाँ से खरीदी थी आपने?
The defense milord is only of one symptom.
उससे कैसे हो जाएगा?
Two things if you lordship में kindly paragraph 4
हाँ
505 bottles in view of the 2022 notification and the rules. There are only 2 samples which were drawn on the spot and then 52 2 more samples were taken.
हाँ
If you lordship may kindly have that rules of 2022 which were referred to in Bharat Ambani.
हाँ बताइए। उसके बाद तो 2024 में ऑनरेबल जस्टिस नहीं ऑनरेबल जस्टिस बेला त्रिवेदी जी का जजमेंट आ गया बाद में 52A के ऊपर। पढ़ लिया क्या आपने? हैं?
सर ये लार्जर बेंच को रेफर हुआ है, ये जस्टिस पारदीवाला का Malad had quoted this one in Malad's order. That is Dipanshu which your lordships have passed. If your lordships may kindly have Malad had referred Bharat Ambani only order in Dipanshu versus State of MP.
जी और एक और बात बताइएगा, ये जो नोटिफिकेशन है ये 23 दिसंबर 22 का है
जी,
16/6/22 की घटना पर कैसे लागू होगा?
जी Malad में just have Bharat Ambani for a moment. Both are parameter because 89/1 Malad and 2022 Rule 10 are absolutely parameter. Bharat Ambani if your lordship may have para 41.
Para 41 yes.
Bharat Ambani. This Malad has been referred to a larger bench Malad, but it still holds the field. But though some of it Malad is not in my favor, some it para 41.
Yes.
As per clause 2.5 of the standing order number 1 of 89, the relevant standing order in force at the time of seizure, when multiple packages or packets are seized, they first have to be subjected to an identification test by way of color test to ascertain which packets are of the same size, weight and contents. Thereafter, all packets which are identical to each other in all respects will be bunched in lots. In case of ganja, they may be bunched in lots of 40 packets. Thereafter, for each lot, one sample or one in duplicate has to be drawn. The relevant clause reads as under. However, when the packages seized together are of identical size and weight, bearing identical marking, and the contents of each package give identical results on color test by drug identification kit, conclusively indicating that the packages are identical in all respects, the packages containers may be carefully bunched in lots of 10 packages containers, except in case of ganja and hashish, that is charas, where it may be bunched in lots of 40 such packages of the containers. For each such lot of package container, one sample in duplicate may be drawn. As per clause 2.8 of the standing order 1 of 89, while drawing a sample from
नहीं ये तो पढ़ लीजिए, relevant clause reads as under. इसको मत छोड़िए, उसी में आपका पूरा रहस्य छुपा हुआ है।
सर ये 42 में
हाँ 41 में 42 के ऊपर 41 में
सर वही
2.5. However, when the packages
container seized together are of identical size and weight, bearing identical marking, and the contents of each package given identical results on color test by the drug identification kit, conclusively indicating that the packages are identical in all respects, the packages of the containers may be carefully bunched in lot of 10 packages containers, except in case of ganja and hashish, that is charas, where it may be bunched in lot of 40 such packages containers. For each such lot of packages containers, one sample in duplicate may be drawn. Sir, in my case, it is cough syrup, so it would be 10. Therefore, my lord, in 505 bottles, there has to be 50 samples which have to be taken.
Okay.
Then, my lord, may come.
क्या आपका क्या केस है कि सेम बैच नंबर की दवाई में अलग अलग कंपोजिशन का कंटेंट रहेगा?
Lord, there are two things, Lord, which the standing order says. One, there has to be a Lord, drug identification doing the color test. And then, Lord, irrespective of whether it is batch, because the regulation does not say, or the standing order, the rules do not say whether it is same batch number.
No,
It said it could be bunched in 10. And
bunched in 10 cannot be in a dogmatic fashion. The thing understanding is that when a medicine of a particular batch, whatever quantity may be, it is expected that it contains the same contents or the composition, and therefore there is no need for separate sampling.
My humble submission.
You will have to come out that the cough syrup which was seized was of different batch numbers, and therefore there was a possibility of variation in their composition which could not have been tested by drawing a random sample of 2 bottles out of 500. Have you given this suggestion to the IU?
Lord, in fact, Lord, the rules or the regulations have not been confirmed. May I just point out, Lord, in fact, the rules does not make a distinction, Lord, between a manufactured drug or a bottled drug, Lord. This, Lord, if you may see the 89/1 regulation or the 2020.
20?
Yes, Lord.
22 में बताइए.
22 का Rule 10.
Rule 10.
In fact, Lord, it does not make any distinction, Lord, between whether if it is a manufactured drug of a particular batch number, then only one sample has to be taken. Lord. And humble submission, Lord, that distinction, Lord, is not there in the rules. Rule 10, Lord, drawing the samples. One sample in duplicate shall be drawn from each package and container seized. When the packages and containers seized together are of identical size and weight, bearing identical marking, and the contents of each package give identical result on color test by the drug identification kit, conclusively indicating that the packages are identical in all respects, the packages and containers may carefully be bunched in lots of not more than 10 packages or containers, and for each such lot of packages and containers, one sample in duplicate shall be drawn. Provided that in case of ganja, poppy straw, and hashish, it may be bunched in lots of not more than 40 packages or containers. Now, my lord, the rule is clear. An exception is carved out for hashish as well as ganja to say that there can be 40, and then, my lord, there would be one sample taken. My humble submission is there is no exception carved out, my lord. The intention of the legislature is not to make a distinction between, my lord, a drug which is a manufactured drug with one batch number, and therefore then one sample would be taken. Lord, therefore, my submission is as far as this part is concerned. Now, Lord, coupled with this, if you lordship may see,
so Rule 11 पढ़िएगा जरा.
Rule 11. Quantity to be drawn from sampling.
For sampling.
For sampling. Quantity to be drawn for sampling, except in cases of opium, ganja, and charas, hashish, where a quantity of not less than 24 grams shall be drawn from each sample. In all other cases, not less than 5 grams shall be drawn from each sample, and the same quantity shall be taken for duplicate sample. The seized substance in the packages or containers shall be well mixed to make it homogeneous, and representative sample before the sample in duplicate is drawn. In case where seized quantities is less than required for sampling, the whole of seized quantity may be sent.
So,
Lord, my submission would be, Lord, that Rule 10 applies.
52A की compliance करके disposal हो गया क्या property का?
Though the IU says that, but there is no document. Your Lordship may have C1, not Exhibit C1. It's a court exhibited document 52A proceeding.
C1.
C1. This is the 52A. Now, this is also contrary to Bharat Ambale because the accused is not present when 52A proceedings are taken up. Though it says, my Lord, Bharat Ambale, as far as possible, the accused should be present and should be done in his presence.
C1 कहाँ लगा है? C1.
No, this is not after the details. Article A एक सफेद रंग की कपड़े में ऑनलेट्स 231 शीशे और स्कफ सिरप 270 एवं सैंपल आर्टिकल A2 पर शीशे ऑनलेट्स कफ सिरप और स्कफ सिरप जिसका मुंह सफेद धागे से सिला हुआ थाना कमरजी की थल शल चपड़ा से बंद पाया गया जो विधिवत खोला गया. इसके अंदर रखे हुए मादक पदार्थ ऑनलेट्स कफ सिरप को निकालकर एक एक शीशे ऑनलेट्स कफ सिरप निकाली जाकर पुनः आर्टिकल A कुल 229 शीशे और
52A का कहाँ है ये?
सर 52 सर दिस इज 52A नीचे उसमें कार्यपालन मजिस्ट्रेट का मतलब दिस इज
लिखने से नहीं होता ना 52A. 52A में इनको दिखाना पड़ेगा कि मजिस्ट्रेट की अनुमति से 505 बॉटल कफ सिरप्स का डिस्पोजल किया गया.
मेरा कहना वो डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है.
नहीं है, वो आपके पक्ष में नहीं है
सर. इनफैक्ट इट वुड
ये है क्या ये तो बताइए. आकाश जी जो है ये आकाश एलियस शुभम द्विवेदी साहब जो हैं ये हैं क्या? ये दवा के दुकानदार हैं. कहाँ से आया ये इतना मटेरियल इनके पास? खरीदी का बिल होगा ना। आईओ साहब आप लोगों के तो पकड़ते ही नहीं है, कहाँ किस दुकान से बैच नंबर सप्लाई हुआ, किस मैन्युफैक्चरर ने किसको दिया। चेन पूरी करने की जिम्मेदारी आईओ साहब की है कि हमारी है?
Whether this entire, whether it is destructed or that has been done and the entire contraband has been produced. That both of things, in Bharat Ambani, it says that once the samples,
See, ganja is a non-standard product. Ganja, bhang, charas, they are non-standard products. Whereas drugs are a standardized product unless proved otherwise. And as per the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, packaging of same batch number will have identical composition. That will not have. अगर हम लिखेंगे आपको तकलीफ होगी आगे भी।
बट एक चीज बता, वो फ्लैग लगाया सर मैंने रिकॉर्ड में एक बार।
हाँ फ्लैग,
उसमें
आपको ये रिकॉर्ड दिखा कैसे देते हैं? ये तो इंस्पेक्शन के लिए लगानी पड़ती है फाइल वहां पर। बगैर पूछे रिकॉर्ड कैसे दिखा देते हैं? चलिए हाँ,
सेक्शन 91 के रिस्पॉन्स में है
हाँ,
इसमें सर इट वाज द मैन्युफैक्चरर हु वाज इशूड अ सेक्शन 91 नोटिस,
हाँ,
and in response to that the manufacturer of Escaf syrup said that it is not a manufactured drug.
then what is it?
But if you watch me, just see that page 33. I'll just
page 33, yes, yes.
Sir, usme, and what it says is, if you watch me kindly see, it is on the composition to say that why it is not in terms of section 2 of the NDPS Act, where the definition of manufactured drug is the concentration of codeine should be more than 2.5 in undivided preparation. The product should not be established in therapeutic practice. Accordingly, we submit that product Escaf cough syrup is not a manufactured drug or a narcotic drug for the following reasons. Escaf cough syrup is a compound preparation containing chloropeninamine malate IP and codeine phosphate IP. It contains only 10 milligram of codeine in each of dose of 5 ml. The concentration of codeine in undivided preparation is only 0.2%. Escaf cough syrup formulation is well established in therapeutic practice. Section 214 of NDPS Act.
इसके बाद तो पूरा ट्रायल ही क्वेश हो जाएगा सारा का सारा। इसको लिखवा लाइए ना।
सर ये पूरा मटेरियल
इसको आपने कन्फ्रंट किया था क्या इससे?
हाँ, ये आईओ नहीं एग्जिबिट करा, PW3 लॉन्च में सी
एग्जिबिट तो पड़ा नहीं है इसके ऊपर।
एग्जिबिट नहीं हुआ, PW3 और लॉन्च में कहीं
जब एग्जिबिट नहीं हुआ तो कैसे देखेंगे वकील साहब? एग्जिबिट उन्होंने नहीं किया तो आपको कराना चाहिए था और कंपनी वाले को एग्जामिन करना चाहिए था। आपको कंपनी वाले को एग्जामिन करके पूछना चाहिए था। इससे तो सारे ये कफ सिरप के सारे केसेस से हाई कोर्ट को और ट्रायल कोर्ट को मुक्ति मिल जाएगी। We'll be so happy.
But PW3 para 7 एक बार it is done, and the reason it is not, it was responded, Mulot, it was called by the investigating officer, exhibited the letter under section 91 is exhibit P25. Response, the page numbers he mentions that, but Mulot, possibly
is it sufficient? Is it sufficient? And when that was available on record and it is a document of your favor,
then an unexhibited document can be read in evidence.
Could be, but unless the company person is called for and a chance is given to cross-examine him, that or examine him, that on what basis he is giving this.
The reason it was not, it's a prosecution document. Had it been a defense document, I have to prove it would not be read. But this is something which the prosecution got document.
Ah, yeah.
It's not PW3 para 7 your lordship. PW3 para 7. मैं रीड दूं?
तो किसको भेजा था इन्होंने ये?
सर ये इस कंपनी को, उसका मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर।
नहीं कंपनी को तो भेजा था।
एग्जिबिट P25 सर उसका।
एग्जिबिट P25 यस। हाँ P25। P25 yes.
This was the letter written under section 91.
हाँ।
And इसी के रिस्पॉन्स में ये जो मैंने फ्लैग किया सर ये आया है।
हाँ।
And this was when the IU Mulot was examined, he himself Mulot in his testimony said that I had given this letter.
Oh.
And then in response of that Mulot.
No, this letter was returned to the managing director.
Yes.
And it is responded by Vice President Operations.
अच्छा इसमें पेज जो
हाँ,
है
वो सर,
यहाँ पे
और पूरा
Black
पूरा
लगाया
पूरा
है।
पूरा पत्र भी नहीं है, पूरा
पूरा
पत्र भी नहीं है।
पूरा पत्र।
फिर तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा
सर
जाए
एक बार PW3 para 7 because this is all part of the chart sheet.
पढ़ने के लिए पहला पेज तो चाहिए। पेज तीसरे चौथे से कैसे खानी शुरू होगी?
This is more on what the investigating
आप
officer.
पिक्चर में बीच में घुसो तो आप सुना सकते हो किसी को क्या पिक्चर की कहानी।
Not may I assist your lordship, my lord, on whether if it's a manufactured drug, my lord.
We are not going into it. Let us be very clear. At this stage, we are not. In an appropriate case, we may examine that and give our findings. But in the appellate jurisdiction, we will not like to go into this aspect because firstly, this document is not exhibited. Secondly, it has not been written by an authorized person. P25 was written to the managing director. There is no letter of authorization that managing director authorized this vice president operations to write this letter. There are several things which will not entertain it.
My lord, I apologize.
लेटर भी नहीं
No, my lord, I apologize. Not on this, my lord. Not on this, my lord. In terms of Rule 10, my lord, that whether if it is the same batch, and then, my lord, only one sample would be taken in terms of Rule 10.
इसके लिए रिट पिटीशन लगाइए, फिर वहां देखेंगे.
सर वो Rule 10 में सर जो एक्सेप्शन नहीं कार्व आउट किया है तो देयर
उसको भी आंसर इट जब मौका आएगा तब. अपील में तो उसको आंसर करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
consider the custody period 3 years too much.
उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अभी हाफ सेंटेंस भी नहीं हुआ है. Let him rest there. After arguing at length and unable to convince this court, both in terms of the requirement of rules of 2022, namely नाम डाल देना rules का. बता रहा हूँ नाम. Sorry, rules नहीं. Notification of Ministry of Finance dated 23rd December 2022.
Sir, rules is.
The rules here, sorry, namely narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances seizure, storage, sampling and disposal rules 2022, and also in view of the fact that so-called letter of the vice president of the manufacturer is not exhibited, place for withdrawal of the IA. IA is dismissed as withdrawn.
Next.
230 के लिए कौन सा केस कर सकते हैं? ले लीजिए 59 ले लीजिए पहले. हाँ. Compliance है इसमें.
On the last date, the affidavit of the ACS was called. We have filed it today only.
हाँ, कहाँ है? कॉपी दे दी आपने? एक कॉपी हमको भी दे दीजिए. क्या लिखा है उसमें?
Sir,
कंप्लायंस है कि नहीं है? इतना बता दीजिए. 3-5 की
email से भेजा था next day,
है?
the very next day.
ईमेल की कहाँ है?
Sir, मैंने लगाया हुआ है page 4 पे.
पेज 4 पे. किसको भेजा है ईमेल से?
Sir, ये official email ID है. Secretary.
किसकी है ये ऑफिशियल ईमेल आईडी?
Sir, ये page 5 पे देखेंगे मीना शर्मा नाम है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ
हैं?
इंडिया की
कहाँ
email
पर?
ID. Page 5 पे
पेज 5
मैंने ऊपर जो हाईलाइट किया है ये सेक्रेटरीट में जो क्लरिकल स्टाफ है उनकी ईमेल आईडी है mpgov.in.
हाँ.
दैट इज ऑफिशियल ईमेल आईडी.
हाँ.
और जो सेकंड मैंने हाईलाइट किया है 2 मीना शर्मा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया.
ये कहाँ है मीना शर्मा? क्या है ये? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया नहीं लिखा है. वकील साहब गलत मत पढ़िए.
gov.in.
नहीं gov.in does not mean government of India. Sorry. Government of India is goi.in. आपके प्रिंसिपल से इसको बुलाना पड़ जाएगा हमको. कहाँ है ये कम्युनिकेशन? कहाँ है उनकी ऑफिशियल आईडी? ये बताइएगा.
सर ये पेज 5 पे जो मेंशन
पेज 5 पे कैसा लिखा हुआ है? सर्टिफिकेट लेकर आइए दैट मीना शर्मा वाज वर्किंग ऑन विच पोस्ट एंड दिस इज हर ऑफिशियल मेल आईडी. सेंडिंग ऑन अ प्राइवेट मेल आईडी विल नॉट हेल्प यू. दिस इज हर ऑफिशियल मेल आईडी एंड व्हाट इज हर डेजिग्नेशन? देखिएगा. वी आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द एफिडेविट ऑफ श्री JN कंसोर्टिया working as additional chief secretary home department, full stop. Shri Baghel has tried to impress upon us that through mail on 30 August 2024, one Mahesh Chandra Ahirwar had sent communication to one Meena.Sharma 66 @gov.in, full stop. Neither it is clarified as to what is the status of Meena Sharma in Government of India. In which department she is working? She was working on 30th August 2024. Similarly, it is not clarified what is the status of Shri MC Airwar